Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita. If it's the first time that you're watching me, please do check out other videos on my channel, and if you like them, please consider subscribing, and also it will help me a lot if you could share my videos with your friends and family. Also, I recently checked my YouTube analytics and I found out that 94% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Please do subscribe and like my videos if you do like them. That way YouTube gets to know that you guys are interested in my content, and YouTube will also suggest my videos to other people. So after that really long intro, let's just start with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a few new blouse designs and how you can mix and match your blouses with different sarees to create new looks. I will also be pairing them with different jewelry pieces so that you have an idea how you can mix and match your sarees with different blouses and pair them with different jewelry pieces like statement necklaces. I am also going to show you how you can mix different prints and colors in this video. Since the festive season is right around the corner and Durga Puja is almost here, I think this video will be really helpful for you. So if you want to know how to mix and match your blouses with different sarees plus pair them with unique and statement jewelry pieces, please keep on watching. So the first look is my take on the print on print trend. So here I have paired this cotton gamcha printed blouse or a multicolor checks printed blouse with a black and white check saree. So this blouse has different color checks like orange, pink and maroon. This one also has elbow sleeves and frill detail on the front neckline. It has a low back neckline and hooks on the back. It also has this interesting dory with multiple tassels on the back. This is how it looks. You can tie it into a bow or just tie a knot. So this is how the blouse looks like. This one is also padded since it has a low back. Now to pair with it, I have chosen this black and white check saree. So I've paired two similar prints in different colors together. In spite of having no similar color between the two prints, they work together because they are of the same print type. So you can definitely mix and match a blouse and a saree of the same print type together and they will work. So this is an important point to keep in mind while mixing prints. This blouse can also be paired with a orange, pink or maroon solid color saree, since the blouse has all these colors, or you can even pair it with a neutral color saree like a white or black or off-white, whatever you like. And I have paired it with a very special hand-painted Durga necklace from my store. So this is how the necklace and the blouse looks together. I have talked about this and a lot of other exclusive jewelry pieces from my store in my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'll link it above. If you like the blouse designs, you can contact me, or if you want to get a custom blouse made, you can drop a comment or DM me on Instagram. You will find the link to my Instagram store in the description box. So this one was the first blouse design. Next I've styled a bright mustard yellow ikat blouse. So this is the blouse. The material is cotton. It has a boat neckline and elbow sleeves. The blouse also has a button and a tie-up detail at the back. So here is the button on top and this is the tie-up detail. You can tie it into a very pretty bow. It also has a roundish cutout here. So this one is also padded because of the deep back. Such a basic blouse with an interesting detail is a must-have. You can pair them with a number of printed or plain sarees. So I've paired this one with an orange mull cotton saree. So basically I've paired a printed blouse with a solid color saree from the same color family. You can see orange and yellow are next to each other on the color wheel. So this creates a harmonious look. So you can pair a blouse like this one with a contrasting color necklace. So you can pair it with something like this. It's called the Ardhanarishwar necklace, and this one is absolutely handmade and it's from my own store. Since this necklace has red, orange and yellow colors, it will work well with this look. So the next one is this blue floral printed cotton blouse on a white base. It has spaghetti straps and a V front and back neckline. It also has hooks on the back. And since the back is low, it is padded. Actually, most of my blouses are padded. That way it becomes absolutely hassle-free, and every time you do not need to think about what innerwear to pair with different blouses. So I usually get cuffs attached to my blouses. So I've paired this blouse with a blue Kosa silk sari with white print on it. So I've used the same color palette to create this look, which is essentially blue and white. So I've used the same colors, but the prints are different. So you can definitely mix and match pieces with the same colors with different prints, and yet they will work well together. The same color, white and blue, has been repeated in the jewelry, which is this beautiful handmade, hand-painted Durga necklace with Kori shells. I have also finished the look with a blue bindi. So the entire look is essentially derived from the same color palette. I'm so sorry I do not have the necklace with me right now because it's sold out, but it can be made to order. So if you like it, please let me know. You can of course pair this blouse with a solid blue or white color sari, or even try a contrasting color like pink, and that will also work. If you want me to make a video on different colors and prints and how to mix and match them together, please let me know. I'd love to make such a video. So this was the third blouse. So the next blouse is this brown and mehendi green block printed blouse. It's in a cotton material. It has a V front neckline with bell sleeves and a really deep back V neckline with a tie-up detail on the bottom. This one is also padded because how else will you wear it? So I've paired it with a black and white batik printed sari. Since black and white are neutral colors, they can be paired with any print and color. Though I feel that this blouse will work really well with a solid off-white sari, it will look even better. Since we have paired two different prints together, this look can be styled with a handmade choker like this one. Since it has white and silver, it won't disturb the sari or the blouse and will work really well with them. So you can pair simple chokers like this with such printed blouses and saris. So this was the fourth blouse design. The next blouse design that I want to show is this blue and pink floral printed blouse. So this one is a cotton sleeveless block printed blouse with a mock neckline. So this is the front and this is the back. The back has pink portly buttons all along, you can see, and the hooks are also at the back. So you will definitely need some assistance while wearing this blouse. Also, this blouse is not padded since it can easily be paired with any tube bra or something with a racer back. So I've paired it with a solid grey color sari with yellow and pink borders. Since the sari is plain, it works really well with a printed blouse like this. Also, the pink color in the blouse has been matched with the pink in the sari border. And since it's a solid color sari, any necklace that you wear with this will be highlighted. So you can pair it with something like this. So this is the 390 necklace from my store. It has a little bit of pink and white, so this will work well with this blouse and also the sari. And also the solid color sari will create like a nice blank canvas for the necklace to shine. So this is how it looks. You can also mix and match your handmade necklaces with other pieces of jump jewelry, like add a jhumka or a bracelet. So the next one is a really simple solid pink color blouse, and this is how it looks. So it has a V front and back neckline with this patti on the back, and what makes this special are the sleeves. It has these ruffled sleeves. This blouse also has a chain on the side. So there are no hooks and buttons. There is just a simple chain on the side, and this one is not padded because the back is not that deep. You can pair any bra with it. In fact, this can also be worn like a crop top. Such a blouse will work really well with any plain or printed sari in a complementing color like blue, green, yellow, purple, etc. Also will work with neutral colors. So here I've paired it with a blue glass tissue sari. The sari has a pink border that matches the blouse really well. So to create like a different look, I've paired it with this sari. You can of course pair it with any cotton sari as well in a similar or contrasting color. So the next blouse that I want to show is this black and white really quirky elephant printed blouse. It has this pin tuck detail on the fabric. This blouse is sleeveless with a sweetheart neckline and simple straps that you can tie at the top to create these cute bow details. And the back is also really simple with the hooks. You can actually pair this blouse with any solid color sari and it will look really smart. It will look really nice with a black solid color sari, or even a pink or yellow sari will work really well with it. However, I have paired it with a yellow net sari with pink and silver sequins borders, and I think this unusual sari and blouse combination looks quite nice together. So if you want to experiment a little, you can go for something like this, or you can stick to your monochrome saris with a quirky blouse like this one. So if you pair it with a simple plain color sari, you can go for any statement necklace like this Durga necklace. I think it will work really well. Or you can also choose this really pretty hibiscus necklace. Finally, I wanted to add that if you get simple blouses stitched in black, red and white colors, then they will work with a lot of different saris.
You can also pair different statement jewelry with it. Like I've paired this Durga necklace set with my white and red sari and a basic red blouse. This necklace set is from my Instagram store.
You can mix and match different prints and play around with the colors, and it will look nice together. Like I have created these looks using a simple black, red and a white blouse. So these were all the blouse designs that I wanted to show in this video. If you want to get a blouse stitched or want to get anything customized, please contact me, leave a comment or DM me on Instagram. So that is it. I hope you liked this video. Let me know which sari and blouse combination was your favorite and which ones you want to try out. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. So that is it for this video. You can find my social media details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.